All right, hi guys, we're going to go over the ULS vocabulary words. So I'm going to read the words and then I want you to read them, and then we're going to talk a little bit about what each word means. The first word is dark. Your turn. Dark means having no light. So if we flip off the switch in our house, that turns off the lights. Dark. The next one is ears. We hear with our ears. You say it. Good job. The next word is energy. Your turn. Energy is usable power like heat and electricity, and we get energy from the sun, which gives us heat. So when you're outside and the sun is shining on you, that is the energy from the sun giving you heat. Energy. The next word is eyes. Your turn. And we see with our eyes. Some of us need a little extra help. Next page. Hear. Your turn. Hear. We hear with our ears. You're right. The next word is light. And light is a type of energy that allows us to see. So we could turn on the lights in our house and we get electricity or energy from light bulbs. Or we can go outside and the sun is shining and it gives us light. The next word is ray. Your turn. A ray is a beam of energy. Yeah. The next word is see. Your turn. See. We see with our eyes. The next word is sound. Sounds can be heard. Your turn. Good job. Sound. The next word is source. The source is the cause of something. Why something happens. Mom and dad are taking a shower. They turn on the faucet. That is, they are the source. They're turning on the faucet. Next word, vibrate. Your turn. Vibrate. Vibrate is moving back and forth, side to side or up and down, and it can make a noise. So we're going to vibrate our lips. That is vibrate. You say the word. Vibrate. Good job. And the last ULS word we have for the week is wave. And in this case, they're talking about energy that moves like a wave, like light energy. And usually you can't see that. Almost always you can't see light energy that moves like a wave. All right, those are our words this week, and I hope that you guys are working on them, reading when we're reading the story, and also there's some bingo games that you can play. So make sure you're working on your words, and I'll see you soon.